understand, 'di ba kanina I said na parang when the moment when they issue that order of contempt, ang sabi nila sa akin was that you just file an MR, a motion for reconsideration. So minamadali namin yun kasi alam namin walang opisina ang House of Representatives 'pag Friday. So nung Wednesday ba ako Nicole napunta here? Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, nag-file na kami agad nung Thursday, first thing. And I waited and waited for them parang to rule on my MR, but they never did. Tapos kanina, on a Friday, when there is no office, there is no business office at time in the House of Representatives, they issue an order transferring me. And and then suddenly they serve it like in the middle of the night. Oh, what does that tell you? 'Di ba? Paano sila nakaka-rule on may transfer, hindi man nila na-rule yung aking motion for reconsideration. That's why I said, hindi ako sasama. Hindi, mali ito. May rights ako. May rights ako. I'm not going anywhere. They cannot just do that to people ba? We are just ordinary people working for the government. 'Di ba? We just do our best every day to work for a better country. Tapos ganito, that's what they treat us. That's how they treat you. Bakit naman ganyan? Anong klaseng wala ng batas, wala na, there's nothing in this country, wala na pong batas na nagwo-work